So I wouldn't follow exactly what I'm doing to spray paint, to be honest. I would say be sure that you make sure that you shake your can up while you're spray painting. Otherwise, you'll end up with blotches all over the place. Definitely should have shook it up as I spray painted for sure. Should have shook it up more. So I finished spray painting the nightstands and tables, whatever you want to call them. This is the color I used, and it was pretty much, I'd say like you probably need for this size nightstand 2 cans of spray paint just to be safe. But yeah, I'm planning on putting mirrors at the top so it can go with the thing in my room. But I feel like it definitely turned out cute. So that's pretty much why the tops aren't really like, I mean, there's spray paint on them, but they're not really as coated as well as the sides. But I said they turned out pretty good. I mean, you can really see the blemishes, but I want to see if I can find mirrors for this. I probably, for the sides, should have done some, what's the name? Wood filler? I don't know what it's called. But especially for the sides, because it's so noticeable now. But, I mean, honestly, I don't really care that much. But, yeah.
She putting too much.
We click. Stop when you gotta go click.
She got it turned the wrong way.
Oh, no.
I thought you had to put it on all the corners all over.
No.
It'll spill over.
Yeah, it'll stick. Once it's stick, it's stick. It ain't gonna matter.
Stop.
Yeah. Put the adhesive on the mirror, and then you're just gonna line it up and you're gonna push down. Make sure you don't push down too hardly because you don't want it to spread all over the place, the adhesive. But for the most part, this is a pretty simple process. And then once you've placed it on, be sure to place your clamps on or whatever you're using to put on top of the mirror. It can be books, it can really just be anything, just something with some lid on it. But if you do use books, make sure you put something underneath it so you don't scratch your mirror up. So these are my finished results. I really like them. It turned out really nice. If there was one thing I would have done differently, it would have been to prime my nightstands before spray painting them. But I really like the result and hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you all want to do it yourself, I would say it's a pretty simple thing to do. So you guys should definitely give it a try.